Hey guys, Natasha Denona here, and I want to show you a tutorial using my brand new limited edition Triochrome eyeshadow palette. And for today's look, I'm going to use only the green row. It's going to be a fun day to night look, so continue watching. For the day look, I'm going to start off using Andradite to highlight the inner corner. Then with Scarab, this is the darker shade of the palette, I'm going to define the upper and lower outer third of the lash lines. Next, I'm going to use Iron to highlight the center of the upper lash line and going to connect both corners. Now I'm picking up Andradite again just to diffuse the shade in the inner corner a little bit more. Using a flat blender and Vert, I am diffusing the outer corner. This will soften the line and will lift the eye. So this is the day look, and now I'm going to show you how to vamp it up into an evening glam. So for this, I want to intensify the inner corner, and I'm blending it more upwards and inwards. With Scarab, I'm going to build up the outer corner for more drama, using circular motions to create a smoky eye effect. And then with Vert, I'm going to soften the outer edges of the dark shade and slightly moving towards the inner crease, going up and down. And then with the small precision brush, I'm going into Scarab again to emphasize and define the lower lash line. And next with Iron, I am blending out the center lower lash line to give a pop of color and also some softness to the look. And for the final touch, I'm picking up a Scarab. This is the multichrome pressed pigment eyeshadow in this row. For best color payoff, you can pick it up with a damp, dense brush or just with your finger. This shade will instantly transform this look into a futuristic color shifting evening glam.